Alright, so here's the BB loader from ENC. Here's the mag I sent you instead. Again, there's two components, the main BB loader and the adapter for gas blowback. So if you want to use gas blowback, 45 degree and then in like that. The whole purpose is for gas blowback magazine like that to make it easier to load. But if you don't own gas blowback, then you don't need this adapter. Whole purpose is to make it easier to feed it through, okay? This part meets together.
Port to port.
Push port to port in, like that. BB goes through here. If you want to store this away, press here, plunger in, like that. To open up the plunger, press the button, engage. So once it's all the way tight, then you can insert into the gun, like that. Do a pull test, make sure it's secured, then you're good to go. To eject, press this, then this will come out once more. Don't overload the magazine with BB. You may want to remove one or two before you insert it into the gun. When you're done playing, expel all the BBs by pressing this little button to remove all the BB, or you can point it into a bag as well. One more thing is the reason why you don't want BB inside a magazine for an extended period of time. What I mean by that is like over 2 weeks. It's because it'll wear down the spring, and that's about it. Thank you.